Hi, welcome back to Can Finder channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to view deleted voice recording on Mac. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Losing important voice memos on your Mac can be frustrating, but the good news is that there are various ways to recover them. Whether you've accidentally deleted them or they've gone missing due to a system glitch, you can recover voice memos on Mac really easy. So how to do it's very simple. First of all, of course, you can just open your voice memos on your Mac. After that, let's say you just delete your voice memos like this and you want to find them, you want to recover that. It's very simple. So you can just open the sidebar. If you don't know, you can just hover your cursor to this sidebar, you can show them, and you'll find there is an option recently deleted. You can just select on that. So here's all your recently deleted voice memos on your MacBook. You can select, maybe before you recover it, you can just listen to the voice recording first, like this. After that, you can, if you find the right recording that you want to recover, you can just select on the recover, I mean the recording voice, and you can just select on recover to recover it. Recover recording will be moved to back to the library. You can just record it. It's very simple, right? So if you can't find the recently deleted, so you need to show the sidebar first. You can hover your cursor to this panel and select on that, and you'll see the sidebar, like all recordings and also the recently deleted. It's very simple, right? So that is how to view deleted voice recording on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.